Now we will see how to use this mirror function. Let's create a polygon to see the action of the mirror function. Finish. Click on the mirror tool. There are two options, 2 clicks, 1 click. Using 2 click, we can click on this side and the second click we can move where we want to see the mirror image. Just rotate the mirror to change the direction of the mirror. Let's click another time. We have created a mirror image of this polygon here. Let's click on this one, select this polygon and click 1 click. Within 1 click we can easily move the mirror to see the mirror image and also change the direction of the mirror. Let's click on this and within the 2 clicks we can use perpendicular. We just click on perpendicular and click on this side of the polygon. Now we can move the mirror and change the direction to make mirror image of this. You can use these options to make a mirror image of your desired portion, desired side. Let's click save.